YouTube, this is Jen with another video. I hope that everyone is okay and doing fine. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour tout le monde. Buenos dias. I am here this morning with another video. I promised you I was going to show you the rice water, what it looks like after the 24 hours. So this is the 24 hours. So let's open the jar together. Now here I'm going to smell it. Oh, it smells great. You know why it smells so good? It's because I put the lemon peel in there. See? And that's why it smells so good. Because if not, it would smell like someone did a number 2 and you just went right in the toilet after they left without putting any air freshener or whatever to make it smell good. So here, I'm just going to pour the water in my spray bottle right here. And this is it. There it is. Then we'll cover it up. Now I really want you to see a closer look at this thing here. This is it. I just removed the rice water and this is the remnants of it. You could see here the lemon peel is still in there and the rice is still in that jar. Now, after it's been fermented for 24 hours, and you know, I just really have to show you how the rice is. See, it's kind of soft here. See it, guys? That's it. Now I am going to apply it to my hair. I'll show you the steps I take. I'm here with my rice water. I'm going to apply it. I have already showed you how I did the process of the rice water. Now I'm going to apply it to my hair. So this is the Yao women technique. They are Asian women and they said that it works for their hair. So since I am part Carib, which is Carib Indians from Dominica, so my hair is natural. So I'm going to use this on my hair. I'm going to show you how it works. So here I'm just going to apply it to my hair with a spray bottle. Well, you have to shake it first. I forgot to say that part. You want to cover every part of the hair with it. The ends, the roots. Right, this is one that's well wet and well covered. And it's going to be messy. We'll use this here. Then I'm going to cover the back. As you can see the back of my hair. Make sure that you cover every part of the hair, including the roots. It's the most important thing because that is where you want to grow. And I'm going to do that step for all the rest of my hair. Okay, I'm doing that to the back part. Okay, guys. As you could see, I've covered the whole hair. Everything is covered, all the roots, everywhere is done. And then I have a plastic shower cap here. I'm just gonna put it on for 20 minutes while I do my little house chores, and it will be like getting the steam from it, so that the treatment's there, so the heat will come in, because you know I'm in the Caribbean and it's hot, so that's where you get it from. Okay, so I have to use this bowl because it was going to be messy, but I mean normally you would do this in your shower, but I just have to show you the video. That's why I'm out here. So when I'm finished with that, at the 20 minutes is up, I'm going to wash my hair with this mane and tail shampoo and mane and tail conditioner. That's what I use for my hair all the time. It works really good. I'm not trying to do any commercials for them, but I'm just showing you what I'm using on my hair. So this is it. Yes guys, not forgetting, let's get down into it. Guys, the 20 minutes is up and I am back. I do this step once a week, and let me show you the remainder of my rice water. That's it. You don't have to do it like I did, like waiting for 24 hours to do it. All you need to do, you can apply it the same time as soon as you wash the rice, the first water out, and you just get the fresh water that you added to the jar. You could just wash it and just leave it for a couple minutes, and just make sure that you kind of really get all the amino from that rice water. And it has the vitamin B, which is folic acid, vitamin C and E. That's why it's so good to grow your hair. As you could see guys, I'm just going to kind of towel dry my hair a little because it's wet. It's wet. I just wanted to show you how it looks after it's finished washing, and it smells clean. I'm just going to detangle it a little with the comb. Yep. Now I just wanted to show you the length of my hair today. So you see where it is right here. Now I am going to come back in 1 month with another video, so we could see how much progress I've had and how you yourself could judge to see if it works. So here you go guys, this is it. So see you in 1 month with another video, so you could see the results for yourself. To those of you that are visiting my channel for the first time, I am Jen. You could find me as Jen Fontaine on YouTube, or Crucian Princess, though my name is Island Princess, but for some reason I cannot find it there, so you can always search under Jen Fontaine or Crucian Princess. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give a little love. Share it with all the people that you can, and I have a gift for you. It's the person that helped me to get to 1,000 subscribers, and they can prove to me that they did and show me the proof of them sharing my stuff. I'm going to give you $100. Yes guys, $100. I am keeping to my promise, and I'm going to make you trust me, because of when I give it, I'm going to make sure that I send it to you through Cash App or through PayPal, so that you know that I am serious. So guys, see y'all soon. Talk to you later. Love guys.